Well, it's late September, and what's with this stuff already? A little early for that, don't you think? But we're just on the next great mission here. Just bent those a little bit, trying to pick that up and kind of get it off the trailer in two-wheel drive as those are spinning and doing nothing. So we're gonna go to plan B, but before we get started, might as well tell you what this is. 1970 Ford F100 four-wheel drive, a little bit on the rare side. You don't see the half-ton four-wheel drives much. They're a completely different setup compared to the high boys. They'd have lighter axles, obviously, a single speed transfer case, stuff like that. A little bit harder to find parts for these, but they got this unique stuff on them. So I figured for 200 bucks I might as well get this thing. So yeah, we're just in the process of unloading it, and it's going great. It's going real great. So about to go get the big guns here and make it happen. So let me cruise up back. I got a battery and a broom because we need brooms now to access things. So let's go. And here are the said big guns. I think this will take care of it just fine. There, battery added. Snow's mostly off of it. Now the next question is there any laughing gas left? Oh, maybe. Oh, there might be enough. Let's see what happens here. Got slip and die on the step there. Nope, gonna need more. Well, if you're new to this program, we're literally walking back to cold start a truck, and we're gonna prime the carburetor with gas from a peanut butter jar lid with peanut butter still in it. So that's what's going on up north. Here we are back to the great endeavor. Oh yeah, that's way too much, ought to be good. Let's nearly slip and die on this again. We're hooked up. Let's raise it up with the winch and get it the rest of the way off of here and put away out back. Got it. Now let's get it picked back up, turned around, and push that way. All right, we're pretty close now. Just need to unhook and then shove it back. Should roll. I aired up the back tires to wheel it back up here, and then just kind of keep it at the edge of these pallets here. Then it'll be nice and tight up against this and out of the way of out there. Should work all right. So I'll get unhooked and see if I can just nudge it back. Pulled it back with the chain. It's out of the way here. It's up against these nice. Still room to get in there, but yeah, there's room to get around it. All right, got the truck put away. Everything is pretty well set now. Get that strap off, probably get that hood down off of there. Thing can sit here till spring and then clean it out. Get rid of all this junk, the old tarp and everything that likes to make a mess everywhere. But not too bad. Body's pretty rough on her, but hatch panels at least. I actually pulled the red steering column out of this truck a couple years ago when this one was at the junkyard where I got it from, and I'm running that in my red highboy right now actually. So that's kind of cool. But still filling it up back here. About out of room, as I always say. Got stuff parked there now, so gonna have to do something here soon. Put the Falcon right here, just next to the road for now, and then figure something out in the spring for it as well. Clean it up, piece it together, do something. But this F100 is sitting with all the 67 to 72 parts, so that's appropriate for it right now. So anyways, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave some comments and subscribe if you're new. A lot of this stuff always goes on, so if you like this kind of crap, then yeah, this is the right place. So yeah, till the next one, I'll see you later.